Okay, so for this question, given that y equals to ax plus b times with exponential power to negative 3x, where a and b are constant. So just imagine a and b is a number. You don't know what's the number. So show this second derivative equation. So for the first part, we differentiate first. Ax plus b, e negative 3x. So look at your x. Look at your x. It will be in product form, where a linear time with a exponential. So when you have product form, because you want to differentiate respect to x, so look at your function, your x, linear times with exponential. So when you want to differentiate this, we will use product rule. Product rule, salin depan, differentiate belakang, tambah salin belakang, differentiate depan. So differentiate belakang means we will focus on differentiate on exponential 3x here, negative 3x here. Exponential, differentiate on exponential. Salin soalan, differentiate power negative 3. Then differentiate depan. Depan, you just imagine this is number, like 3x. When you differentiate 3x, you get 3. Means we differentiate ax, we get a. And we differentiate b is a constant, 0. Alright? And we try to simplify what we have here. Can you see back the questions? Yes, right. This is like similar to questions, right? So we can do it implicitly. So this one is negative 3 ax plus b times e negative 3x plus a e negative 3x. Substitute back this part. Actually, it's exactly your question, so why? So in order to differentiate it again using product rule, why not you just substitute y? We do it implicitly. And what's the purpose of these questions? Is showing this. So you must show your answer all in terms of d2y, dx squared, dy, dx, and y only. So your question all back to y. Alright? And then, so this is the final form of dy dx, where we ready for differentiate again to get second derivative d2y dx squared. So differentiate again, second derivative from dy dx, we can get d2y dx squared. When we differentiate negative 3y, we can get negative 3 and dy dx. So you can see slowly your terms here is observed. From 6 dy dx, now we have 3 dy dx first. Later on, we need to simplify up to 6 dy dx and 9y. Alright, so for this part, differentiate that. Let's differentiate x in exponential. Differentiate this. So salin soalan, differentiate power negative 3. So d2y dx squared, where this negative 3y, we move it to the right hand side, is getting similar to the answer that we need to prove. And here, negative 3 is our coefficient, so we move it to the front together with a. So this is a coefficient. So observe your equations here. What do you need? You need your answer in terms of y. So means this one you have to substitute in terms of y and dy dx. You still not enough yet. 6 dy dx. Here only you have 3 dy dx. Means your terms here involve dy dx and y in order to fulfill the equations. So analyze back from dy dx. Here, can we express from the answer of dy dx, we get negative 3y plus ae negative 3x. So for the term ae negative 3x actually is equals to dy dx plus 3y. So we substitute this. So slowly you'll get back all your dy dx and y term by substituting back remove your x, substitute it. Your answer just need dy dx and y. So that's why we see that what's your answer dy dx. Let us rearrange and substitute the terms that we want into the terms that we want. So from here you can see when we simplify all these to the left hand side, we managed to prove the equation. This is negative. When you move it to the left hand side, it will become positive. So when you move it to the left hand side, positive. And we simplify. Finally, we get 6 dy dx.